So tip number 2, so designing for FDM is a little bit different from designing for SLA. So you can see this FDM print. These parts right here, they will go in a filament printer, but these sections right here, generally you can add infill, which this does have infill. Anywhere from 20% to 80% is common. You can do it solid or even more sparse. But generally when you're designing for a resin print, you do not want these really thick parts. You can do them and they print fine, but it's just a lot of wasted material. And so what you'll do is many times you'll grid it out on the back side, which this is not, but you'll grid it out on the back side because the forces are a little bit different as well. With FDM, it's building straight up, and with SLA, you're actually pulling forces inside the printer, and your forces are pulling up. They're fighting against gravity. And so FDM is similar in design, but sometimes there's some little quirks that you have to work out for SLA or resin prints.